Today I have a board of 11 generations. Board means complete laptop. Came today. We will make this laptop here. I show you, friends, the condition of the board. See this? I have installed the charger here. And after installing the charger, if I have shown you in the machine, then see, there is 0.0223 coming in the machine. And if I switch this, if I put the power switch on here and over here, if I switch over here, so this blows a light. And what is, there is no power consumption, nothing happens. Look at MPR here. If it is semi-condition, then this is what we have. If it is no power condition, then let us repair it. And how will you do it? Today, I will tell you step by step, and schematics and board are also available. So sorry to explain to you enough to understand you. It will be easy, so go. Friends, let me clarify this by guiding you through schematics, starting with this one here and moving on to that one. These represent our design. Is this a board? Schematics of the board. And over here, if we scroll down, observe the page number. 3 is okay. Page number 3. Page number 3. What is it showing? There is a dock diagram. Look at this dock. In the diagram, if you come up here and down here, then see on page number 4 what we are showing here. What we are showing here. It has been marked as AK only. Understood? Only this section here. Battery specific configuration AK only. Battery specific for the S5 and S4 models. Observe here if the battery is connected. If we look at S5, S4, then our voltage will become the same voltage. That will become 20 volts. Means that the voltage of the battery will become the voltage. And if we apply AK. So 2 volts are formed here by applying AC. I'll see you soon. Let me explain this. See, 2 volts are formed here. When installing AC, 2 volts are formed when installing charger. One is formed this volt and one is formed this volt, right? These 2 volts are formed, and which 2 volts are these? Volt, and look at this volt. These 2 volts will become ours. Let's leave it here for now. Let's talk about this box for a moment. Has been, this is my S. 3S, 3S0 is not going on. What I am talking about is S5 and S4. So these 2 volts will be formed here. In total, there are 2 circles. 2 volts will be made, and from which this and all that. All these. And this represents the voltage. Let me clean this up, then I'll explain what's here again. What is the voltage of the charger and battery and all these voltages? It's our motherboard. Always voltage of. Press the power button. First, alright. When we press the power button again, I will explain to you last. Last except one video. That's what I thoroughly explained in the detailed video. Power button. These voltage levels are generated prior to the pressing of the main power button. Alright, always voltage. Let's be okay. This means that the charger should be the opposite of the charger. Okay, this is also the win before pressing the power button. And if I tell the second of this, after pressing the power button, see this? I am showing you in green. All these voltages are created after pressing the power button. Look at this. What are these 3? Extra arrived. See this. This extra came, this extra came. This extra arrived. This extra has come. All these voltages have become a matter of pressing the button. They become ours by pressing the button on the voltage. At first, this won't count. Upon examination of these, I have marked all these hotels with green identifiers. Very well, let's proceed. Now we have finally obtained it. How can we retrieve it? We will decide on the course of action. Sorry. What is here? I have to check our voltage now. We have to check now. 20 volts, okay? Our 4000 has been installed. Then our 4000 has been installed. Then how many volts should we get? 20 volts, 1920 volts, which is the voltage of our 4000. If so, let's get on the boat. So after coming on the boat here, first of all, we have to do the physical check. Okay. The laptop has to be physically checked when it is open. Do we have physical damage somewhere? Is it water damage? Did he have to see it? It's okay. All of that has to be seen. CMOS has to be seen once. Thus, verify all the components. That is our necessary task here. Over here, this way. No visible damage was detected. No signs of water damage are present. Let's examine the 20 volts. If I connect the charger here, what reading will we get for our 20 volts? I provided you with the second advanced video. Advanced? The series of levels. I have turned it on. The second video that I have in it is above our win. Okay? It is above our win. If you want information about win, then that is it. Watch the video. So let's look here as I check 20 volts. As I have mentioned every time, it belongs to us. Joe, the voltage in it is like, this is skin voltage. Yes, that's okay. Coil is ours? 2 coils, this one. Let me clearly explain it through the charger here. See this? These are connectors. Has this director come to the coil? This coil? Look, it's going to be 19. Volt is fine with it. What is on this side is our coil, our 19 volts. That 20 volts is going on that side. Now this is our first MOSFET. The first MOSFET of Win is it? Then I click here. See the voltage is coming here too. 20 volts. Now we have to check this side of Win.
Voltage on this side as well.
Voltage is coming. Okay, ours is okay. Now from here it has gone to the second mosaic. Also look at the second mosaic. The voltage is shown there.
It is now on the other side of it.
Of seconds.
Voltage is also there.
Showing data and our primary SL.
R is S.
LR, which is ours from here in all the board,
is supplied.
Okay, so our Jo Win is our win-win voltage. In Jo is our...
Alright. Now let's return to the comprehensive schematics.
So let us come here from the schematic. This is ours. If I explain to you by boxing, then AC in is equal to AC in. Then this is our voltage. I zoom it a little bit. I suggest you zoom in a little.
I really like this.
I'll zoom in.
Well, maybe now.
Good for you on the screen.
It will look clear.
RSS.
I thought it was the AC voltage.
The AC that we felt was. Alright. The color was red.
20 fase.
Volt, what happened to us first? Which 20 volts was checked?
This one.
These 20 volts are checked?
Yes, a zero check was done.
Okay, a circle which is ours 20 volts checked. Now we will go.
In the second circle.
You see, I'm attempting to elaborate this point to you.
Because if you do,
if you consider it retrospectively, you might understand it, correct?
I will be Rata.
Or they used to teach you Rada at school.
Then go to you now.
Anyone remember?
It will remain the same.
In each video, I instruct you on Rata. By repeatedly watching, you will retain the information indefinitely. Understood?
So,
observe that we currently possess 120 volts originating from this point. Go back out of the room.
Ascend slightly.
I go out of the room slightly so that...
Are you able to spot the murderer?
This 20 volt killer of ours has become now, what do we have to check? We have to check this 0 to this 0.
What is being reversed? See, 3 plus 3 volts, always 5 volts, now always PC 3 volts, PC
1.8 voltage level.
105, always okay. These are all the voltages except the previous video. I showed you all of these in the previous video. So let's check what first.
Will do. We'll check.
3 volt, always okay. What will we do for 3 volt, always now on the schematic?
Now I have not done anything on the boat. You are seeing me. I have not done anything to the boat. I went here. Sorry. I have to select only one. See this. Selected it. Copied it and found it here.
I have done it here. I have pasted it right and searched it. Now see here what we have to find. Its burn date. This is where it was born. The voltage where it is made. You will reach the IC that has been made. I will show you. See this. Is there any voltage showing here? Is there any IC showing it or not? So let's proceed. Here we have the same schematic. Then even those who came to the third number to win, this is always showing PCS. You can see it here. If you see it, then see it showing PCS here. You don't want PCS, you want empty PCS, right?
Always one empty. Then we will move to the next one. See here, if I zoom in, a voltage is being created. Here someone is making a seek or not. It's being pulled up. Voltage is either coming from here or being given from the register. Then our voltage won't be here. PC hatch is from the line here. PC hatch people don't need to check. You need to check yourself. Okay, then see here. This always is created here.
Is someone here making ICs? Is she not making your voltage? Look here. Somewhere here he is giving a club. If he is giving a club to this place, then it is not being built here either. Look here. The VC of this IC is VCC. What does VCC mean? Do you know if anyone gives voltage to the IC or the pin? If they call the pin VCC, then pin number 8, which is visible to you, this 8 number pin is giving voltage. It is giving voltage to this IC. Then it is giving voltage to the IC. Here, the IC is not making 3 volts. So let's go to the other one. See what is being made here. Friends, tell me. Let me zoom out a little bit. What is being made here? Tell me what is being made. What is the register being made? What is not being made? This is giving pull up. The register is being put up. Okay. Now we will go ahead. What is being made? See here? It is being made here. It is not being made because it is giving pull up here. Don't pull up. Mean. Pass over there and give 3 worlds, which is your 3 worlds there. Look here. What is being made here, friend? Look. Is this a connector? It is an I/O connector. The connector of our power button. It is on. It is being made here. Now look here. What is being done here? Tell me. Now you must be understanding a little bit. See what is being done here? Friend, look what is being done here. What is being done here? Look, just a while ago I had told on an IC what is being done, what is not being done. VCC means this voltage is the purchasing voltage of this IC. Okay, let's click on the other one. Now you understand a little bit. It is understandable little by little. See where the voltage is going. VCC is going to this IC. Yes, this is not happening either. Now you will understand. Look, the schematic reading was not coming. Now you must have started to understand a little bit, right? Okay, then look here. Then come down now. Look here. Friends, what is being made? Here, see the register? What is being made here? Tell me what is not being made. No, look what is being made here. Tell me what is being made here. It is not being made. Now tell me here. The register is being made here. It is being made. It is not being made. It is being made. It is not being made. It is being made. It is not being made. It is not being made. It is not being made. It is being made. It is not being made. It is being made. It is not being made. It is not being made. It is
Because the video is long, you watch it here. What's being made? This is what is being made. Watch the video. I will explain. See, a jumper is given here, meaning shoulders. Jumper is formed. And further here, if you look at this symbol here, this symbol is the address of many. It is the symbol of the coil, right? This symbol, this is the symbol of our coil. See this if I zoom it a little bit so that you see a little bit clearer in the screen.
this coil. This is our sorry symbol. This is our coil. Neither is this our coil. Then passing through the coil, our 3 volt is always being formed here. Now this IC is making IC. Now it is making IC, which CIC is making CPU 560 van. Isn't it from here that this voltage has been made here through the call? So let's now, how do we find it? On the board. Why is the board available to us? If its board is also available in BRT file, it will be very easy for us. So let's search this coil. What will we do? Are you going to catch this coil?
Yes, it went a little wrong. 1 second. Yes, where did it go? Did I go to edit it?
I came around to select it. Let's select it and copied the text. And here I came to it. After I came to it, I pasted it here and selected that number again. Now, friend, what are you seeing here? You can see the selection here. Now see how you are looking here? This is our coil. So it is also showing right here. So if I come to the boat, then what is on this side of the boat is placed like this. It is placed like this. I zoom out a little and see this.
Above is RAM of RAM, above is RAM, and below is CPU, below is CPU, and below that, look, 3.
Coil. One below it. 2 more coils.
And then there is a coil in his side. There's a coil in his side. So this is ours. Sorry, let me remove this.
This is our coil. So let's check it. Coil by coil. What will we check the coil? We'll check the shooting. Okay. We'll check the shooting first. Come on, guys.
Now I installed the charger here. I have installed the charger. And let me check its voltage. Its voltage, which is our 3 volts. Which is our 3 volts. Which is being formed over here. Okay. Our 3 volts. Which is being formed. So let's come to the schematic. Let's come to the schematic. Let's go to the top of what is here after going up. Let's zoom out on our here and let's find out what this 3 volts is, what we have just learned, what we have found out, what we have found the 3 volts, which is ours, has become. Okay? So what do we do now? Now we will check the second 5 volts. Then the second, let's check the 5 volts. We will select this 5 volts. Okay, we will select 5 volts always. Here, I am coming to the text. Sorry, I selected 5 volts. Copy.
And he pasted it here and hit search here. Now see here, what is the firewall? What is being built here in our block diagram? What is not being built? Let me do it quickly so that you understand, friends, what is happening here.
Tell me now.
Tell me what is not happening here. It is being made here. It is not being made here. It is not being made. Register is being made here. See here. If I show you here, if I show you here, voltage is going from here to here. What is this? See what is showing here? These are showing. See what is showing here. What is being shown here? These are not being shown. Neither our M will be formed. Voltage will not be formed. These are not being formed from here. These are not being formed. These are not being formed. Okay. I will do it quickly so that the video. If it becomes long, then the problem will, then you will feel a little bored. It is showing here. Is it showing here? Is it showing here? It will not be done. Let's click on the second one. I am clicking on the second one. Here, if I select it a little bit, here I select it. Then here is it being done. Is the second one. Look, the register is installed or not. It is not being done. Look, it will continue to be built here, friends. There is a register here. The pull-up is happening. It is not being built. It will continue to be built here. Friends, tell me, there is a register here. It is not being built. There is a zigzag register. The sim of the register said. Then they will click on these 3. Will they not do yours? Or let's click on always here. The second always. Look, friend, is it happening here?
It is being formed here, but not correctly. Why? There's a coil here, and it's not getting voltage. It needs voltage to function. Okay? It's not forming properly. Should there be a coil here or not?
Is it being made here? Is it being made here? Is the register coming here while registering? Is it being made? Is it not being made? This is a capacitor. Okay, sir. It was not even necessary to click here. Now, friends, look here. Is it being made here? Now you understand? Now tell me what is being made. Say it will continue to be formed here. Just look. I had told you just a little while ago. It is being formed. Tell me, yes, it is being formed. You are right. You are understanding. Sir Henna, earlier you did not understand. Now you are understanding. Look here. Voltage is being formed here. We came to an inverted jumper from here. Passing through the jumper. A coil has come here. Okay, now we will check coil by coil here. Okay, we will check this coil here. You will find this coil. We will clear it here. We will select these methods, which I am telling you. This is a professional method. Okay, we will copy here and we will copy here.
We will paste and paste, sir. Here I am pasting here. I have gone to code view to paste here. We will paste here.
And just next to it is the coil. Okay, so let's check. Then I charge here. Okay, after charging here, I see the voltage. Then this is the coil here. Look, it was next to it. This is the coil here. Next to it, this is the coil here. If I click here, see, friends, voltage is not being formed here. Right here, the voltage which is ours is not being formed. Now we are not forming the voltage here, so now we will not check it once. Friends, if you look here, this coil here is showing shooting, which means this coil is touch on the ground. Okay, the coil is not touch, which means it is showing shooting on the ground. Right? Is this coil showing 0 van 00? So friends, then tell me if there is a short from a boiler here, then how will the voltage be formed? It will not be done. Or let's come back now to board B. Now here I came to board B. if you see here, then this IC is connected to this coil or IC. Okay. So let us first come to the schematics and understand here. First, understand this thing. Okay. I am explaining to you. I will make it immediately. I will make it in a pinch. But now I am showing you on the schematics to explain to you. Okay, look here. Here this IC has come to this IC. We will select this IC. This is a professional way. If you will learn, then you also need to look at the schematic, because I have seen the board many times. Then the schematic is sitting in your mind. You understand that the schematic is sitting here, sir? I am searching here. We will come to this. We will search here. IC is fine. Look, the same IC. This is the same IC selected on IC. It has become a box of red color. Or this is the same IC selected here. Now, how will we check it? By checking it. Is there a shooting on this IC of this IC? Or is there a shooting ahead of it? There is a shooting on this side.
Oh, this is how wise shooting is to check it, friends. Do you know what you have to do to uproot this coil? This coil has to be uprooted, meaning this coil has to be removed from one side, then it will become our two parts. Like if I explain to you, then this coil here,
if I disconnect and break from this part, then this will become our different portion, and this will become our different portion. Otherwise, what will happen to us? We'll know if our shooting is on this side or on this side, right? Either this is to be confirmed by yourself, brother, there is an IC malfunction, or there is a malfunction in that component where the voltage is going, or we have to see if this coil is uprooted. Then friends, I take out this coil.
so friends can see here, I have removed this coil from one side. Here I have disconnected it. So as I told you in the schematics in the board way, that what is on this side is our IC, and all that is what has been supplied in the rest of our board has gone to that side. So if we click on this side, then we know that what is on this side, we know that what is on this side, our IC is not damaged. What is the IC? Our IC with 5 always is okay. And what is on this side is our shooting is okay. If you have understood this much, let's go back now.
Now here, if I come back here, then if you will see what is on this side, our shooting was showing, right? On this side, our sorry was showing. What is on this side, our shooting was showing. What will you do here if you were showing our okay on this side? Click on this side.
Now the components that are on this side, now how many components are touched? See if I have clicked on this, then here where yellow is visible, all over the place, our firewall always is. If I turn this over the boat, if I turn over the boat, A, top side.
So here, see what we have in so many places. We have this capacitor in so many places. All these, see this jumper capacitor, capacitor, capacitor in so many components. What we have has been touched. Okay.
What we have here in so many places, what has happened is component attachment. So if I click back here, then first of all, what will we do now?
First of all, we will check a capacitor here. So let's check this capacitor, friends. If we look to check this capacitor, then no such image capacitor is visible here. Then what will we do now? Tell us, we will do it. We will remove it, and by removing it, give direct voltage to it. How much voltage will they give here now? Give yours. This means up to 1 ampere. Take a load up to 1 ampere. Well, it should take up to 1 ampere load, as I will just show you.
I have done that to the black. I will put it on the side right now. I have grounded the black, and I have done this to the red. And here, if you have the supply on this, I have put it on the supply, and its voltage is what we will reduce. of the machine. We will make its voltage 1 volt. Okay, after making 1 volt, what we will do now, we will click on it where the shooting place is. And then if I click on the shooting place here, then see here, our MPN is pulling more. Then stop yourself.
It is going up to 3 ampere. It is going up to 3 ampere. Then you have to stop there. You have to stop there, and then you have to reduce it again. Here we have reduced it by how much? We have reduced it to 0.004. Okay, now we click on this. Then see here, we are pulling up to 1.8 ampere. So if you have to do less, you can do less. 1 MP is fine, but here we are going up to 2 MPs, no matter. So here now we have taken ours up to 2 MPs. So what to do now is to click on it, touch it. 1 MP is going up to 2 MPs there. And that's where we have to go. Which company is being hit? Okay, so I will not touch here. I will use it here. What will I do with the paste? I will put it on these 3 capacitors. See here. I will put it on these 3 capacitors. Now, after putting it, friends, I will put it here. And if there is a shot, there will be smoke coming out of a capactor here. If it does not come out from here, then we will click on the back one to check where the page was showing us in the board way. Then let's first check the 3. Then I have placed the probe here to check the 3. Then from here, someone can see you melting. It appears to be melting. Yes, the Mako has been seen in the camera. Maybe it is not showing in the camera. But here, I have seen this MOSFET. Sorry. Look at this capacitor. You are fine. Look at this, is a little melted. We are seeing that our paste is melting. It is melting. Neither, friends. Let me take out that capcator. I will be able to see more now. Then the typing here is increasing because there are any friends who do not like our larger videos. So I try here to get my work done in short videos.
So here I take out that capacitor, friend. Here I have taken out this I have taken out the capacitor, and again I put it on the ground by putting it on the ground.
Again, here I will touch that 0.04 voltage. So here, yes, see this. Here I touched ours, but let me show you in the machine. See this, I touched, and see there in the machine. See there, nothing is coming in the machine. See here, I touched, and see there, nothing is coming in the machine. See here, I touched, and see there, nothing is coming in the machine. Meaning, what is ours? Taking Empire means shooting has already stopped. Our shooting. So let me show you once in multimeter. Then what is here in multimeter? I am putting it here in multimeter. Here I do not skip the audio to multimailers. I keep giving you knowledge. What was our shooting on this side? It has gone out. Well then, if I am placed on the eclipse, see what is our shooting on this side has gone out. Look at the 400M being sold. And there was no shooting on this side. And if there was shooting on this side, he had left us. Due to this capcator of ours, what is ours? What is the board was not being turned on? Well, because of this capcator of ours, even if friends do not install capcator, then we will go. Because there are many capcators of ours installed here, so there is no need to install such a thing here if I am here.
Friends, here I have shouldered the coil. Now here we will check whether our usual is being made, or else here see what our laptop is.
It has been turned on here. If I show you the voltage, then look here. Our 5 world has been created. Friends, look here. 5 volt short term has been created. Our 5 world has been created. And if I take out CMOS here, then here our laptop has been turned on, and that means the power has come. I have taken out the RAM. Look here. What is our MPR? What is ours? Has started taking, right? This set of ours, MPR, which was not taking, has started taking. So friends, how did you feel? Send me the video in the comments. There are 2 or 3 friends. We have a lot of friends who comment on us. You also comment, friends, and motivate me. I will keep bringing such videos. So friends, thank you for watching the video, and see you in the next video. Until then, Thank you so much.